What's going on, everybody? Team Last Fit here today, and we're going to be working on this 2017 Nissan Frontier. And what we're going to be doing today is changing the front turn signals. So stay tuned, and we will show you what the final result is going to look like.
Alright guys, so this is the stock projection of the driver's side turn signal, and we're going to go to the passenger side, and now we're going to do the hazards. And as you see that they're bright, but they're not as bright as they could be, so we're going to make these changes. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the passenger side since it's the more difficult side because of the location. The battery is in the way and it's a little tighter spot. But if you come right here, you can see the bulb, and that's it right there, the little white, or you could say gray plug. So our tech is about to take it out the housing, or the socket, shall we say. And there it is. So always use a microfiber cloth to take the bulb off. And put our last fit bulbs in. And like I said before, these are reverse polarity, so he's going to test it. And if it lights up, we're good to go. And it lit up, so we are good to go. And now just put the socket back in the housing. And these are the original bulbs. So now we're just going to put the socket back into the housing. All right guys, so these are the lights installed. This is the parking light function, and then now we're going to test out the turn signal function, and we're going to start with the driver's side. That's the driver's side, and then we're going to go to the passenger side. And as you can see that they are working, they're not hyper flashing, and this is a projection on the wall. Way brighter than the stock halogens. And that's the stock halogen side. Now we're about to install on the driver's side. And this side is much easier because there's not much in the way. And you can see the bulb socket right there is that white one. And our tech is about to pull it out. And that's the stock halogen bulb. He's going to use his microfiber cloth to take the bulb off safely and install our last fit bulbs. And remember, these bulbs, they go in one way, so when you install it, if it doesn't work, all you gotta do is just flip it. Because of the polarity, it's reverse polarity. So he's gonna test it out right now. And as you see, it didn't come on, so he's gonna flip it, just like so. And he's gonna test one more time. And there you see it, it comes on. So now it's time to just complete the install and put it right back into the housing. And there you have it. The bulb is installed. And now we're just going to see how it is from our viewpoint. There you go. This is a switchback version, so it's white when it's the daytime running light, and it turns amber when you turn on your turn signals. And this is the passenger side, and it's stock halogen right now, and you can see that there's a difference. This is a driver's side turn signal. I mean the hazards. And now we're going to show you the wall projection. And you can see the big difference in the wall. The driver's side is way brighter than the passenger side, and it's pretty much drowning it out. And we're gonna do the passenger side blinker. And that's how it's looking with just the passenger side, and that's just the driver's side. Big comparison. Alright guys, so both bulbs are installed, and this is the final look. They're white when they're the parking lights, and then we're going to turn on the turn signals. That is the passenger side, and this is the driver's side. And now these are the hazards. And then now we're going to show you the wall projection. This is the driver's side. This is the passenger side. And now the hazards. And as you can see that these are way brighter than the stock halogens. And so, hope you like this. If you have a Frontier, they can fit in your car, and like, comment, and subscribe, and look out for more videos.